Hello and welcome to our video tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to log in to cPanel automatically. There are two ways you can do this. Let's try the first one. Log into Panel and navigate to the side menu. Click on the Domains menu item, and then click on your domain group. Click the Actions button next to the selected domain. Under the Hosting Account section, click Login to cPanel button. You are now automatically logged into cPanel. Now let's try another way. Go back to the side menu and click on the Hosting menu item. From the Hosting Accounts table, find your hosting account where you want to log in and navigate into it. On the Hosting Accounts detail page, you can find all information about your hosting account. In the Service Details section, you can find the Actions field. Click on the Login to cPanel button to log in automatically. We hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our knowledge base or simply contact our support team.